Ayan guys, ito yung re-repairin ko guys. Yan, medyo malaki ito. Dinaklas ko na. Ang bawas dito guys is 4 inches. 2 inches dito. 2 inches din dito. Tara guys, sundan niyo ako kung paano ito gagawin. Let's go! Ayan guys, ang unang gagawin dito guys is tas-tas muna tayo guys. Ayan. Sundan mo ako guys kung paano ito gagawin. Tara guys, let's go! Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa waistline. Magbabawas tayo dito. Ayan, ganito ko lang dito. Babawas. Ayan, bukitan muna natin guys. At dito rin sa baba. Ayan. Dito bukit lang. Ayan. Pagkatapos dyan guys, bukitan is dito naman sa baba. Ayan, pagkulitan naman. Ganyan lang yan guys. At ayan, pagkatapos dyan, tingnan lang, hanap na ako ng roller. Isan muna sa ilalim. Yan. Ayan. Pagkatapos dyan bagisan guys, guguntingin. Ayan, guguntingin yan. Pagkatapos dyan guntingin, susukatin. Sukatan ko na guys Oops, ay. Babawasan pa natin guys ng 1 and a half. Yung mati-mati pa ito rin sa yan, at saka dito yan sa baba bagisan ko na yan. Pagkatapos guys sa video ko, ito ang pinaka-importante. Hindi tayo pwedeng magkamali dyan. Pag magkamali tayo dito, delikado. Tara guys, sundan niyo ako kung paano ito music muna, music maestro. Guys, dito guys, 9 ang dos yung 3/4. Dito is 9 and 1/4. 9 and 1/4. Ito, 14. City. Yan yung bawas guys. Kung anong ginagawa ko dito guys, ganun din sa kabila guys. Sundan nyo lang guys kung paano ito gagawin. Ito guys, ito ang pinagka-sintro. Kailangan tahiin ko muna ito bago ko ito pasarahan. Pero guys, sundan lang ko kung paano ito gagawin. Let's go!
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes positive.
Guys, tapos na siya guys. Yan. Yun, no? Yan. Tapos na siya guys. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood guys. At don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga upload guys. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.